Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix a D311 error that you can see that usually pops up in Fortnite, but it can also happen in other games. First, let's fix it. Open the start menu and type adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on this, then click on advanced, then click on change, and here click on this automatically managing, uncheck it, and then click on customize size. Set initial size 1024 and maximum size will be, as my RAM is 8 GB, so 1024 multiplied by 8, and this is it, 8192. Type that number in the maximize box. Make sure if you have 16 GB RAM, what you have to do is to type the 16 here instead of 8. Multiply the initial size with the number of the RAM size you have. Click set and then press yes to confirm. Restart your PC and check if the error is gone. Now the second step is open the search menu and type device manager, and in the device manager click on display adapters, and you can see your graphic cards here, and then right click on it and click on disable devices and then confirm the disable devices. Now right click after disabling devices. Now again right click on it and click on enable devices. Restart your PC and try launching Fortnite again. That's it. One of these methods should fix a D3D11 error. If this helped, make sure to drop a like and subscribe.